Hi, anybody who actually cares for watching this, or who doesn't care. Just anybody who fucking watches this. Thank you for watching, if you are. And I'm gonna talk about birds today. I'm gonna make 2 videos about it. This one's kind of like a rant, so it's me practically just bitching about birds. And the second one will be a little bit of storytelling about some experience I had with birds. Okay. The first one is, of course, the rant. So I'm gonna start with that. Birds bug the shit out of me. They shit everywhere. Every fucking where. They shit everywhere. It's annoying. They shit on your car, they don't care. They shit on your head, they don't care. They'll shit on your dick. They'll shit on your pussy. They'll shit on your boobs. It's really annoying. It sucks, but it happens. And when it does happen, it's just bad. It just sucks, you know, just don't want it to happen, but it does. And they think they're all really so cool and shit, you know, flying. You know, we're down here on the freaking ground, stuck to this ground, and they think they're all so bad. But they're flying with their talons, able to grab things, you know, with their claws. I just really kind of hate them now. They just bug me. They get really annoying. I hate seeing shit on my car. When I see bird shit on my car, it just sucks, you know. It's just just like a fucking mess of crap. Just like an insult right there on my car. It's messed up. Very messed up. And I also read that birds actually remember who fucked with their nest. If you mess with their nest and you come back, you don't even, you just ignore them and you just kind of walk away or something, just walking by. They will remember you. They will remember you. And they will attack you. At least that's what I heard. It's messed up. Very messed up. It can get so annoying sometimes. Just really fucked up. They just shit everywhere. They just shit everywhere. You can see it everywhere. On the ground, on trees, on your kid's head. Just messed up. Very messed up. And I kind of hate them. Just everywhere. Damn. Don't you hate them? Don't you? They're just there, you know. They think they're minding their own business, but they're not, you know. They're bugging me. They bug me, they're there. They're probably eating my fish that are in the backyard. We have a fish pond full of fish. And we had a whole bunch of little baby ones, like that small. Yeah, they're probably eating them. Bastards. Bastards. So I hate them. They bug me. They shit everywhere. can't even watch yourself. You just have to go on with your life. Because they're everywhere. It can get really annoying. So I try to make the rant as small as possible, because I want to get to the storytelling. That's where I want to make this video. That's how I want to make this video. Just kind of like some of my experiences with them. But if you watch this, thank you. It's just a small rant. Nothing more. Just me complaining. Thank you for watching. Watch for the second video.